In this video, we're going to dive into the intriguing world of a distinctive embroidery format used exclusively by Melco embroidery machines. This format is known as the CND Embroidery Format, and it carries a rich history that's just as colorful as the designs it creates. First things first, let's illuminate the origins and the evolution of Melco embroidery machines. These impressive machines made their debut in the 1970s thanks to the innovative efforts of Melco Industries. Later on, the Japanese corporation Daiichi Jitsugyo acquired Melco, further cementing the brand's place in the industry. Designed with a specific focus on industrial embroidery, the Melco machines stood out for their incredible speed and unparalleled precision, quickly becoming the go-to equipment for embroidery professionals. At the heart of these groundbreaking machines was their proprietary embroidery format, the renowned CND format. Developed exclusively for use with Melco machines, this format was revolutionary, enabling embroidery artists to execute their visions with an outstanding degree of detail that was unimaginable with other formats available during that era. The secret sauce of the CND format was its vector-based structure. Unlike other formats that rely on a pixel-by-pixel representation, vector-based designs use mathematical expressions to define each curve and line. This not only allows for exquisite precision, but also ensures designs can be enlarged or shrunk without any compromise to their clarity or quality. What truly set the CND format apart were its innovative technical specifications that were ahead of its time. One such feature was its support for using multiple needles and an array of thread colors all within the same embroidery design, something that many other formats at the time could not achieve. Additionally, it offered remarkable stitching techniques. It could beautifully execute complex fill patterns and create stunning gradient effects that added depth and life to the embroidery. During its heyday, the CND format became a staple in the industrial embroidery circles, particularly garnering attention and widespread usage in the United States and Japan. But as the wheel of technology turned, new and more universal embroidery formats emerged, leading to a gradual decline in the adoption of the CND format. Despite this shift, the CND format isn't completely forgotten today. While most contemporary embroidery machines have transitioned to more ubiquitous formats like DSD or PES, a number of Melco machines are still operational and revered, especially within communities that cherish vintage and retro embroidery. These Melco machines are treasured not only for their precision, but also for their distinct ability to work with the CND format, which continues to play a significant role in their lasting appeal. To sum up, the story of the CND embroidery format is a compelling chronicle of how technological ingenuity can lead to remarkable progress within a specialized field. Although its prevalence has waned, the legacy of the CND format perseveres through the old Melco machines and the exquisite embroidery designs that they enabled craftsmen to produce. For those aspiring to delve into the world of embroidery or seasoned professionals looking to rediscover a piece of history, working with a Melco machine or exploring a CND file can be an incredibly rewarding journey. It offers a glimpse into the past and a chance to appreciate the innovations that help shape the future of embroidery. So, if the opportunity arises to engage with the CND format, I wholeheartedly encourage you to seize it. It's an enlightening and enriching experience that's not to be missed. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.